Welcome to eTranslation, the automated translation service developed by the European Commission and designed to support multilingual communication across Europe. eTranslation allows you to translate text snippets or full documents. You can even integrate translation directly into your applications and websites. It supports all 24 of the EU's official languages, plus additional languages relevant for European cooperation. Let's see how it works. To start translating, click on Translate Text. You can type or paste your text directly into the input box. Next, select your input and output language. If you're unsure of the input language, use the Auto Detect option. You can also select a domain, which simply helps the system adapt the translation to your type of content. For example, general text or more specialized content. Now click Translate. Your translation appears on the right, ready to be reviewed and adjusted as needed. You can also translate full documents. Click on Translate Documents and upload your file. As before, choose your input and output language. You can also select options such as the type of content and the format of the translated file. Then click Translate. Once the translation is ready, it will appear under My Translations. You have 24 hours to download it. For more information or support, contact the AI-based Language Services Advisory. Start translating with eTranslation today.